na collabo. Yeah. She wants some collabo.
For God, I think this is the guy we're coming from. You know the owner of this car?
PSquare, convict music.
Maybach music.
Yeah, 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 oh yeah, yeah, mama, neme, what a beautiful oh yeah, Nemo bimo, I was feeling so sad because I was all alone, was so bad. And there she goes. She touched my heart and said, "Hey, Bezina knows to go." Hey, was so glad the way she keeps me smiling. It brings me joy. She proves this loving is real. Within my heart, there's nobody.
So guys, this is really my guy. Have you guys seen what I did? Have you guys seen what I did on this car? This car was dead, like dead. But I resurrected it.
Broke my car off. Is that my car? I saw it yesterday.
Yeah, this guy is
I saw it yesterday. That's my car. The legs. You know, like this, very straight. The leg was like.
I think that's my car. You tell me my car was one side, one leg and a leg. One thing about all those things, doing this like 12, I don't go pay for it because I want that.
So you want I can fly away straight to the sky, just you and I. Girl, I know the lie.
Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to Froshtech Automotive, and today we are going to be telling you guys on our new project vehicle that we have, and you guessed right, the Jeep Wrangler. And guys, this vehicle came from one of our legendary PSquare, Mr.P. And guys, what we are going to be doing on this car is going to be super amazing. First of all, we are transforming this vehicle from the matte black that it is right now to the gloss black painting, and with red highlights all over the body, and it's going to come out very, very super cool. And also, we're going to be replacing the headlights and the rear lights, the trafficator lights, the fog light to LED lights. So it will take it from that stock light that it is right now to LED lights. And also, we're installing ambient lights, AC vent lights, the door trim, dashboard lights that you can link with your phone and control or choose the color you want, and also if you want it to follow the rhythm of the music. So this is what we're going to be doing on this car, guys, and I want you all to participate. In fact, let's go outside and even check out the vehicle we're talking about. So guys, this is the vehicle right here, and you look like this car is already rugged. Yeah, but we're going to make it amazingly rugged. So now it's not just going to be rugged, it's going to be very interesting to drive. And when you step into this car, you wouldn't want to come out because of the entertainment inside of the car, like the old lighting, the old, the paintwork and the highlights, what we're going to be doing. And this is already matte black, but we're going to be changing it from matte black to gloss black with red highlights on the car. So this is what we're going to be doing. Anticipate. I've already explained what we're doing inside. So your only job is just to anticipate and watch all our stories and tell us what you think about this mod, this transformation. So let us know, guys. By the time we finish with this car, you are going to be seeing something different from what you are seeing now. These gear levers, we'll change all of these, the colors, the steering wheel, we'll do all of this, so it will be very entertaining. Now you're not just driving to take you or the vehicle to take you to your destination. You are now enjoying your driving. You are now feeling good driving, even without music, like just around you alone is so good. Don't feel like entering the house right now. So good to be here. That's the kind of feeling you'll be getting. So watch out and anticipate. That's the only thing. That's the only job you have. Anticipate and keep up with our stories. Ooh. Peter, we are coming. Mr.P, we are coming. Alright. So guys, when you see this bad boy rolling out, you'll be hearing danger. You go see danger. Wahala de. Oh, you already know, right? The baby is crying, fresh me up, fresh me up, fresh me up. And we're gonna fresh you up, baby. Baby bad boy.
Just fabricate from edges.
The tire will be more gallant.
Just because of that fender that it makes the tire come out.
Yeah. So you put like control of that thing metal. So you give it a boxy shape. Yeah. That was what we consider. So guys, I've changed my working clothes and we are going into the business completely now. And as you can see, the tire has been taken out already and we mean business, guys. Like today, tomorrow we are stripping up everything completely. Today is 28th of March 2022 and by 29 we should be done stripping everything out. Then we'll get the necessary parts we need to get to get the job rolling. So stay tuned as we proceed. The way that she's moving, she's busting my brain, she got me moving again and again. You unlock this. You unlock this. You unlock this. You unlock this. You unlock this, and we have an open roof. Yeah. I don't care what I will buy. So guys, we have the front open roof. So you see this whole white stuff here. It's gonna be changing the color to complement the color of the interior. So this guy here go and stay on one side and chill out while your brother will join you. So we can keep you company. You are not alone, boy. You are not alone. Yeah. We need to remove this. Let me go grab my Allen key and take this big boy out. See you in I'm a hawk. So I am finished, should be able to carry it ourselves. Next thing is to drag this car up, remove the tires, and we start removing the essential parts for cleaning and painting. And all these will be taken out. And we have a Jeep Wrangler. I think I should go for a drive with this baby first. Let's cruise around before the race day starts. So next is to take out I think the door will be the last thing. So now we cover this guy back and dust and view and rain will not find it. So the seats too. seats too will be taken out. Damn, there's a lot of work to do here.
It's the remix, yeah. The remix, yeah.
So fly.
Akon, PSquare, Mr.P, convict music. First of all, you're the type of woman that stays on my mind. Walk down the street, every guy wanna jump on your behind.
So guys, the tire has been taken off. We'll start removing this fender and the sound protector. And if you look here, you see how boring this place looks. This shock absorbers, the coil spring, the stabilizer linkage, the stabilizer bar. Basically, everything in the suspension is going to be taken out, and they're going to be spraying it. So when you see under the suspension and when the light is reflecting on it, it's going to be very, very fun to watch and very nice.
I don't care, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care, 'cause I get to plenty. I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. Girls, they love me.
He get this fine lady, her body na die him one baby. We're supposed to live like family. Hey, I know the lie. There's nothing stopping me. She dey feel my swag and I get money. I dey try my best to be somebody, cause I'm living life. This girl they make me higher, higher. I dey feel this baby. You no go believe this girl na die, die. If you see this baby, tell him say she must chop my money, chop my money, chop my money.
So guys, the bumper has been taken out, the front grille has been taken out, and we proceed to remove the lights and the fenders. Gradually this guy gets in naked, and this boy should be ashamed of himself. So we are proceeding, and all these suspension parts and everything will be taken out very, very soon, so we can proceed.